Hi there guys, this is a Delphi water and fuel sensor off a Great Wall V200 diesel. The light comes on the dash that tells you that there's water in the fuel. See these two little probes on the end of it here, they sense any water in the bottom of the fuel filter. I drained it. Normally you'll drain the filter, you unscrew that and then the water drains out if there's any in the bottom of the filter. I did that, the light went out for a little minute and then it came back on. Then I checked the wiring. The plug that goes on here, the two outside pins, one's positive and one's negative, and the centre one's a sensor. The two outside ones should have battery voltage. Now I checked that and that was all good. While the red light was on the dash, I was down on power. There's one particular hill that can normally go up it in 5th gear at 100 k's an hour. With that light on, I was back to 80 k's an hour. So I didn't think this would affect it, but it did. So once I changed the sensor, I put it back on, took it for a run up that same hill, and I was back to 100 k's an hour in 5th gear again. So if you've got any problems with your Great Wall V200 being down on power, check this sensor, especially if you've got your water and fuel light on the dash. Cheers for that. I'll catch you another time.